You don't need a college degree to land a high-paying job, and in this video, I'll show you some of the best career options that can earn you 6 figures or more without a traditional education. From becoming a skilled tradesperson like an electrician or plumber, where experience and certifications matter more than a degree, to tech jobs like software development, cybersecurity, or digital marketing, where skills and a strong portfolio can get you hired, there are plenty of lucrative paths. Sales roles, especially in real estate or high-ticket closing, can also bring in massive commissions if you master persuasion and networking. Skilled labor in fields like aviation mechanics, elevator installation, or power plant operations also offers incredible salaries after on-the-job training or apprenticeships. If you're business-minded, starting a profitable venture in freelancing, e-commerce, or consulting could generate even more than a typical 9-to-5. The key is focusing on high-income skills, gaining hands-on experience, and continuously improving because in today's world, what you know and how you apply it is far more valuable than a piece of paper.